You know, I think
Nicholas,
there's a major kind of conceptual error when we're talking about crime here. When we know that Mexican drug cartels are killing people on both sides of the border, when's the last time you heard about a Dos Equis shootout, where a beer distributor crossing the border?
Hundreds of times. Most murders are committed under the influence of alcohol.
The last time you heard about that sort of thing was during alcohol prohibition. And so it's not that...
Are you going to have a black market for methamphetamine?
Sure. You know
Absolutely.
what? We already do. What would happen is if we had a legal one, the other social harms would be reduced. I'm not a utopian. What I do believe is that not only would responsible individuals have a broader palette of things to make their life better, but also many bad things would diminish. You know, when we're talking about addiction or substance abuse, you know, I don't drink anymore because I was a bad drinker. I tried my hardest to drink and drink and drink. I gave it up. If I had to admit that I was a criminal as well as having a substance abuse problem, I doubt that I would have gotten there quite as fast as I did, which was long enough.